Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we work, create, and communicate. Whether you're a content creator, a business professional, or just curious about AI, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, we have ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool is known for its conversational abilities and can help with everything from drafting emails to brainstorming ideas. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Next is Claude AI, a powerful chatbot known for its creative potential. Whether you need help with writing, coding, or just want to chat, Claude AI has got you covered. Descript is an all-in-one audio and video editing tool. It offers transcription, screen recording, and even allows you to edit videos by editing text. Perfect for podcasters and video creators. Microsoft Copilot is integrated into Microsoft 365, enhancing productivity with AI-powered features. From generating content to summarizing documents, it's a game changer for professionals. Grammarly is a writing assistant that helps with grammar, style, and even AI content detection. It's a must-have for anyone looking to improve their writing skills. Jasper is an AI writing tool that helps create content for blogs, social media, and more. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. Synthesia allows you to create AI-generated videos with avatars and voiceovers. It's perfect for creating professional-looking videos without needing a camera crew. Midjourney is an AI tool for generating high-quality images from text prompts. Whether you need illustrations, concept art, or just some creative inspiration, Midjourney has you covered. Notion AI enhances the Notion workspace with AI-powered writing and organization features. It's great for managing projects, taking notes, and staying organized. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's generative AI for creating images, text effects, and more. It's a powerful tool for designers and creatives. Canva is a graphic design tool with AI features for creating stunning visuals. It's user-friendly and perfect for both beginners and professionals. ElevenLabs specializes in AI voice synthesis and cloning. It's ideal for creating realistic voiceovers for videos, podcasts, and more. Perplexity is an AI-powered search tool that provides detailed answers to complex questions. It's like having a super smart search engine at your fingertips. Chatbot.org leverages Quillbot's language models to create intelligent chatbots. It's perfect for businesses looking to enhance customer interactions. Copy.ai is an AI tool for generating marketing copy, blog posts, and more. It's a great resource for marketers and content creators. InVideo is a video creation tool with AI features for editing and enhancing videos. It's user-friendly and perfect for creating engaging video content. Fliki converts text into videos with AI-generated voices and visuals. It's a quick and easy way to create video content from written material. Gemini is Google's AI tool for various applications, including search and content creation. It's a versatile tool with a lot of potential. CustomGPT allows you to create custom AI chatbots to specific needs. It's perfect for businesses looking to provide personalized customer service. ChatPDF is an AI tool for interacting with PDF documents. It can help you extract information, summarize content, and more. Runway is a creative suite with AI tools for video editing, image generation, and more. It's a powerful tool for creatives looking to push the boundaries. Writer is an AI writing assistant focused on maintaining brand voice and style. It's perfect for businesses looking to keep their content consistent. Swift AI is a versatile AI tool for various applications, including content creation and automation. It's a great addition to any tech toolkit. Quillbot is a paraphrasing tool that helps improve writing clarity and style. It's a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their writing. And there you have it. These are some of the top AI tools you need to know in 2024. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, create stunning visuals, or generate content, there's an AI tool out there for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on AI tools and technology. Thanks for watching.